All right, garden friends, because I was getting a lot of requests in regards to my boxes, my plant boxes that Kevin ended up making for me in the secret garden. He has been so gracious enough to do a video and provide step-by-steps as far as what he does to create these boxes for me. And you know, as I've stated before, I am so fortunate to be able to have someone that can execute my vision when it comes to our garden. A lot of our stuff that is in our garden that is structural, he is the one that ends up doing all the work, you know, and it just makes me really happy to be able to share his talent, you know, with you guys. So without further ado, please enjoy watching Kevin go ahead and build the new boxes for my Climbing Eden Rose up in our secret garden.
All right, one of Deborah's subscribers had asked her about how do you make these boxes, what I'm making for up on the secret garden. But I'm just going to show a quick, easy one way here to make one of the boxes. Basically, I'm making them by, what are they, 24, and they're going to be 20 inches high, okay? So basically what I'm going to do, you can cut these either on it by hand with a box, miter box, chop saw, what have you, as long as they are the exact same length. So what I'm doing is I have this board as a stop in my vise just to make sure that they're all flush, okay? So then what I'm doing is I just take a piece of scrap. In this case, it's just a 3/4 inch by 2 inch board, and this is going to be my top up here, so I make sure that these are all flush, and I'll put just a spot of glue on these, and then this will be on the inside portion, and then we'll be able to drill, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Now it says a wood glue that's rated for outdoors as well. It has a faster set time, so I have to be fairly quick. What I'm going to do, being that these are going to be the fronts, I'm going to have this flush here with the very top. So you can see I'm just making sure that's flush and flush on the side all the way down. Now I'm just going to use this to quickly tack it. Now we got these flushed up. Now I'm going to get this side. Make sure they're all flush. Flush at the top. Now this is, like I said, this is the front, or the side rather. So next I'm just going to, being that these are 3/4, I got a screw, it's 1 1/4. That way it doesn't blow out the other side. Deep enough into the underside. Just pre-tap the pre-drill so it doesn't split out the wood. Especially being so close to the edge, it will split the wood. Now I'll get the other side, do the other one, and then we'll finish up on the other part. Okay. Got the two sides done. Now this how I'm going to lay these out. This is going to be on the outside. So that's why so from the front view, you won't see the side here. All you're going to see is that. So put a spot of glue, pre-drill screws, and do the same on the other side as well. Now we just do the same thing by mounting this. Basically, that's all it is. Just a simple down and dirty box. All out of scrap, and this is all scrap fence pickets. 6x8 fence pickets. These are older ones. I'll just give these a light sanding. And dress up the corners to hide the screws. But basically the pieces, look what I had inside. I'll run a strip here, and then a strip here. It'll hide the screws. Put a decorative corner on it. Decorative where it's got edging here on a sill, where it hangs over proud about a 1/2 inch, 3/8 of an inch. Other than that, it's done, but just simple down and dirty box, that's all it is.
All right, here is the finished project. This looks really, really nice. Like I said, I am glad that we continued the timbers for the entranceway, but it looks really amazing. Kevin did a really nice job on this.